In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the subtotal formula in Microsoft Excel. The subtotal function is a very useful tool when you want to summarize a range of values without using separate formulas for every calculation. It can quickly give you totals, averages, and counts, all while keeping your worksheet neat and efficient. In this example, we'll use it to work with a simple sales data range in cells B2 through B6. To begin, let's calculate the total sales. Click on cell B7, which is where the result will appear. Then type the formula, equals subtotal, open parenthesis, 9, comma, B2 colon B6, and close parenthesis. Press enter. The number 9 tells Excel to calculate the sum of the selected range. So this formula adds together all the values from B2 to B6. This is a quick way to get the total without typing a separate sum formula. Next, let's calculate the average sales. Click on cell B8. Type equals subtotal, open parenthesis, 1, comma, B2 colon B6, close parenthesis, and then press enter. In this case, the number 1 tells Excel to return the average of the values in the range. This is helpful when you want to understand the typical sales amount rather than just the grand total. Now let's count the number of sales entries in the list. Click on cell B9. Type equals subtotal, open parenthesis, 2, comma, B2 colon B6, close parenthesis, and press enter. Here, the number 2 instructs Excel to count how many numeric entries appear in the selected range. This is especially useful when you want to confirm how many data points are included in your calculation. One important thing to understand is that the first number inside the subtotal formula controls the type of calculation Excel performs. In this example, 9 is used for sum, 1 is used for average, and 2 is used for count. So even though the range stays the same, the result changes based on that function number. That's a simple way to use the subtotal formula in Excel. It's a practical function for analyzing data quickly and keeping formulas consistent across your worksheet. If you're working with sales figures, reports, or any list of numbers, subtotal can save time and make your spreadsheet easier to manage.